coming up when it does sell out. So we'll be doing this Prizm box, and then that quick pitch will be the last one of the day. All right, guys, what is going on? Today we are doing 2020-2021 Prizm NBA Hobby Box Break Random Team number 35. We are going to go on to the random here. Snake Eyes automatically defaults to 3. Good luck. 9. 3, 6 equals 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last but not least, 3 and a 6 equals 9. Heat to the Warriors, and that is 9 times. Magic. All right, 9 times on the names now. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last but not least, 3 and a 6 equals 9 times. Mel Pitt down to Jay Storino after 9 times. All right, guys, 5 minutes to make any trades, and if you do make any trades, please put your zip code in the chat below.